Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, ngiliphathele ezimnandi. Khumalo, known as Uthobile, has let her friends inside her birthday celebration. So guys, Khumalo's birthday was a week ago and Musamseloko was one of the people who wished her a very happy birthday. So guys, sonke siyamazi Khumalo, and Khumalo is one of Musamseloko's wife who we view and see kushow le abayibiza uthando nosithembu, and she has given us more drama, more things to talk about. And now guys, she's giving us ama snaps, ama pictures, ama vibes, ama hot things to talk about again. Khumalo went for a photo shoot guys. Hayi kahle nisingabi ne-jealous waze waba muhle untombo. She's so beautiful. Everything J just matches and gives her that bright, beautiful picture. So guys, Khumalo ngumuntu kaMusamseleko, and we know that she has been a good housewife and did her thing. So guys, here are some of the images that she took on her birthday, and on the steps that she was in, it was written Make, celebrating peace, success, resilience, growth, gratitude, health, and love. So guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this, and please guys do subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you.